Why she's pushing me out of the camera
Hey
frame
guys,
for?
wagwan. What's up? Today we're in Southwest Ranches again. We're viewing this beautiful property. It's on the market now for $3 million.
3.1. She's always giving you guys a discount.
3.1. I know. You have to give your supporters a discount. Why
Yes.
not? But anyway, this property, if you love Moroccan style, stunning. Oh,
And the house has so many Easter egg. I like the word Easter egg. You have like, a cottage in there. You have a guest house. You have sauna. It is really well positioned. I like what the house has to offer. And then you're sitting on 1.88 acres of land.
close to 2 acres.
And look how quiet the street is behind me. It's a very quiet street. You only see all these cars because
It's a Broker's Open.
it's a Broker's Open, but it's a very quiet neighborhood. I like it. You have room for so many things. If you're into RVing, watch the video. You'll see what you have.
Yeah. So don't forget to leave us a comment and like and subscribe.
Yes.
And we'll catch you next one. See you later.
Subscribe in
Bye,
her
guys.
channel. Subscribe in my channel. Welcome to Southwest Ranches again. So this is the front of the house. This house is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath. Has a guest house in the back. Has another guest house, 2-car garage on this side. You can actually literally park 6 cars undercover. So I'm gonna take you inside, but this is how you are greeted as you enter the house. But before we go inside of the house, I wanted to show you quickly this car garage. Look how much space that you have. As you see, the floor is completely finished, and you have cabinetry, 8-foot cabinetry all along the wall. There's a sink right here, and then you have your laundry here. There's another set of laundry as well. So this is the facade of the house as you come in. This is a nice touch. Like I said, this house total with all the different building totals of around 6,000-7,000 square feet. And let me take you in. So when you're entering this house, you are greeted by those nice massive wooden doors. Let me step back a little bit to show you. So this door is customized. As you can see, it was carved by artisans. And then it's so hot today. Hello, madam. Enjoying Southwest Ranches. So when you walk in, you are greeted by this massive entrance. So this is at least 20 feet. You have those nice chandelier right here. And the owner had those wood imported. Let me give you an idea of how they look like. So this can be your office, family room. This is an actual real chimney with wood. Okay, real wood. You chop your wood, you burn your wood, and you keep yourself warm. But this is Florida. This is never needed. On the right of that, you have all the media to the house. The house is wired for security. So this is where the closet is, and this door will take you to the garage. Now all these doors can be open and bring the outside and to the inside. Now on this side is where 3 bedrooms are, and then the master is on this side. So quickly, as you walk down the hallway, you are greeted by this bathroom. Massive frameless doors, great chandelier. And then this is the first 1 bedroom. Again, the chandelier idea is repeated. It's really massive. This is at least 20 by 20 or even more. And this is the bathroom that supports this. Standing shower. And then this literally is your walk-in closet. Well, it's not really, well, yeah, it is a walk-in closet. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. Now we're gonna go to the second bedroom. Again, same idea with the chandelier. The closet in here is a little bit bigger. So this will be the room that you give to the kid that gives you less problems, that you buy a lot of clothes for. And then the third bedroom is right here. Now, one thing that I have to point out, this bedroom right here does not have its own bathroom. So it's supported by the bathroom that we pass in the hallway. And then right here, this is set up as an office right now. But needless to say, you have built-in cabinet, built-in drawers and closet. This is really nice right here. But as it's set up right now as an office. Now quickly, this is the bathroom that we passed. So remember, this bedroom right here and this bedroom right here do not have their own bathroom, so they'll have to use this one. But this bedroom has its own bathroom. Again, now let's go to the master. So right here you have your closet, where actually this is where you have all the water, tankless water heater, your AC, and then next to it is a pantry. So this is a great size pantry. It's good for storing excess of food, especially now. There tends to be a shortage, so you have room to actually store food. Enter the master now. The master has this massive bathroom, recessed lighting, and look at this, the skylight. That brings the exterior into this bathroom. So I just wanted to show you the wall, so you have an idea. Then you have your jetted tub right here. This is the makeup area for her, and then you have your sink right here. Now you could literally build you could partition this so that you have total privacy. That's what I would do. I would literally turn this into a water closet. And then this is the closet, the master closet. Really massive. And then your bedroom, the bedroom is a little bit like a rectangle, so it's probably 30 by 20, but nonetheless it's massive. And look at the treatment for the ceiling. And then you have those barn doors that leads you into a courtyard back here, and then there is I think a place where you could shower or something like that. So thank you, ladies. And then here, how's the kitchen? So again, the kitchen has this massive height, which gives you a great sense of volume. KitchenAid appliances. Now, if you choose, you could get taller cabinetry if you need room for more space. And then off the kitchen is the outdoor area. So this has a summer kitchen. Presently, the stove is not there, but this is where you would actually put the stove. But there's a fridge outside. It's really massive. You have 4 fans to cool off this whole area. This is your pool. And I wanted to give you a sense of the backyard. So remember, this is the guest room right here, which I'm gonna show it to you. But this is what you see when you're back here. And then on the right here, this is where I was telling you from the master, you have this courtyard. So you could put some seating arrangement, and then here is a shower that's made in the wall, which is cool. Now let's go to this guest house right here that is closed. This guest house, I'm gonna show you, has a garage, and the garage has a car lift in it. So if you wanted to park something in there, you could park 2 cars in there. So literally you could park 7 cars under coverage. And then off the garage, there's a little pantry area. You could use this for storage, or you could use this as a hidden room. I probably would. And then let me quickly show you. This guest house does not have centralized AC, so it's cooled by this window AC. So right here, this is the size of it. This bed, if I were buying this, you could Murphy it so that you fold it into the wall, so it could make this place really big. So it's supported by its own closet as expected. And then you have your frameless barn door style standing shower. So, and then your sink is outside, and then they have like a cooktop, I guess. You know, this doesn't have a full kitchen, so basically you have a microwave, you have a cooktop, closet, a fridge. So you could rent this out and supplement this as income, or you could have one of your in-laws living there. You could have a college student living there. So we're going to go this way, and I'm going to show you the guest house. Now, if you have an RV, fret no more, because this comes with a tent for the RV, which is a great touch. So you don't have to spend money building that. Okay, so I gotta tell you guys, it is 90 something degrees, and I'm wearing a suit as always, because that's how I roll. I like wearing suits. So, you know, I think all my life, ever since I was a lad, I was wearing suits. So people always ask me, how do you do it? It's so hot in Florida. I have a suit and a tie and a shirt. I don't feel hot. It's weird, right? So anyway, this is a spot for your RV, as you can tell. If you don't have an RV, you could literally park 4 cars under there. You know, you park them in tandem, a row of each. But the owner has an RV. And then before we go in, I want to show you the 2-car garage this is attached to. Now you have so many places to park cars. As you can tell, you know, this is paved all the way. So you could park your cars. And then here, you could park something. You probably have to drive on the grass a little bit, but you could also create a paving to lead you to this one. So this is 2-car garage. Obviously, the owner is into racing. That's a nice Mustang for racing. You could tell he tracked it. And let's go to the guest house. So the owner is into Mustang, obviously. And before we get here, there's a nice sitting area. Isn't this amazing? There's a hammock, storage. You have a massive storage here. And then you could lay here in your hammock and talk and blah, blah, blah. This is really amazing. And then you have those anchor point. If something like a hurricane was coming, you wanted to anchor something down, there's one on each side, which is a great touch. So that'll stop it from flying. This particular unit is on its own electric meter. And it has centralized AC as well. Oops, it's closed. So I cannot go in. But anyway, I think I shot a video of it. So this is a 1-bedroom in there. It has its full kitchen, its full bathroom. I will show you the video that I did. It's not gonna be shot YouTube way, but nonetheless, you'll get to see it. I just did one for my social media, and I forgot to do it the YouTube way. But this is the house in a nutshell. It's on the market for 3.1, and the most desirable part of Southwest Ranches, with almost 2 acres of land, with the main house having 2-car garage and 4-car garage, and then you have this has a 2-car garage, and then you have 1-car garage here. Literally, you could park 6 to 7 cars in here because there's a lift in there. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I need to go inside because I'm sweating up a storm. Oh, this is one thing I forgot to show you. So when you're coming from the pool area, there's a sauna here. Yes, the house does come with a sauna, which is good. And then next to the sauna is this bathroom. So this bathroom supports any activity you do outside. Like if you were coming from the pool, there's a shower right here you could rinse off, which is an amazing touch. So this is the house in a nutshell. If you have any question, reach out to me, let me know. I could do a virtual showing to you, or I could arrange a private showing. Thank you. What you get for $3 million in Southwest Ranches. This is the main house. You have another guest house right here, and this is another guest house that has a 2-car garage. So I'll quickly show you inside of this guest house. Fully functional kitchen, sitting area. Obviously the owner has a big dog. And then you have your bathroom here. You walk to the bathroom to get into the master. So this house sits on 1.8 acres, almost 2 acres of land. This is just the guest house right here. So imagine the main house. So I just wanted to show you quickly. And then don't forget that house has 4-car garage in the front, and then 2-car garage here, and ample space to park. So what you get for $3.1 million in Southwest Ranches.